I bet you're thinking this video is absolute nonsense and what we're going to be covering is just a video for views. However, I'm going to share with you that this method is indeed 100% possible. I'm also going to share with you my own results from the method we're looking at today. And believe it or not, it is possible to earn money by uploading really short 30, 60, 90 and even 120-second videos. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video. So we're starting right off with the earnings from the method I'm going to be sharing with you today. So you can see on the screen here, in the last 7 days here, I have managed to earn the grand total of $15.57. Now here's the crazy thing about this method, okay? I have not touched this or done anything with this since I finished a case study back in May of this year. So this here is nearly 4 months ago, and I'm still earning some money. And I'll take it a step further and prove it even more to you, so you can see I'm not telling fibs. So over here inside of the university, this is my own training platform where we have a private community and things, okay? Inside of here, we have all of these different methods for earning money online. These are methods I am doing myself. Now, to prove these methods work, we have a case study section and we have live workshops. So in the case study section, you will see we've got this tab over here called the Amazon Influencer. Now, basically, up here, we've also got another section up here about the Amazon Influencer, how to get started, etc. But for the case study section down here, you can see we cover how it, basically everything, and then we share our earnings. So day 5, day 7, day 12, day 21, 30, and 90. Now, the 90-day earnings was back in May. So that was the last time we did an update inside of the university, and I was just literally going through some different platforms and checking in things, and I thought I'll quickly check on the influencer program, and yeah, I've earned $15, which is insane. So let's talk about this and how we can do this, because I already know what many of you are probably thinking at this moment in time. I am not an influencer. I do not have a huge audience. You don't need to, and I'm going to prove it to you. So first of all, these earnings here have come from the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, I've earned $15 in the last 7 days. I'm going to show you my videos. So if I come over here, how this method works is, okay, and you'll notice here, I am not on camera in any of these. I think I was in some of the first ones. So these ones down here were the first ones I did. But then after that, I wasn't even in the video. And you can see these are really short videos, like this one here, 1 minute and 3 seconds, a minute and 15, 1 minute and 26. So all I'm doing is I'm going around the house and I'm finding products which are on Amazon. And it is a bit more tricky if you're in the UK. If you're in the US, then you're laughing with this method. And all I'm doing is I'm seeing if the products are on Amazon. If they are, I take out my phone and I record a demo or a walkthrough of the video. You can go over to my shop here, go over to this and have a look at the videos that I did, because it's not the expert by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just wittering away basically about the products for less than 2 minutes. Okay, so this is it. We're uploading these videos, and it seems ridiculous, doesn't it? You can upload these really short videos of products around your house and be earning money. But let's take it a step back, okay? This is from the Amazon Influencer Program. So I'm going to come over here for this, and we'll look at the requirements. So to get here, all I typed in, well, I'll show you actually, so you can find this yourself. I typed in the Amazon Influencer sign-up page. Once you go there, you land on here. And basically, it says here, look, monetize your content with the Amazon Influencer Program. How this works is you build a storefront inside of Amazon, which sounds, it sounds complicated. It's not. You literally upload your video, put it into your shop, and that's it, done. We create content and recommend products to your audience, and then you earn money when somebody watches one of your videos and buys the product. And by the way, those videos that you upload, they're hosted by Amazon, and Amazon are placing them on the website when somebody is looking to buy a product. So instead of reading the traditional reviews on Amazon, they've started allowing these influencer videos, and that's it basically. But if I come down here, I want to show you this. This is the frequently asked questions that most people will accept. How do I get started? So we see here, look, we accept from all types of influencers, provided you have, here's the key thing, a YouTube account, an Instagram account, Facebook, or TikTok. And then the other thing I want to point out to you is it says here, when reviewing your application, we look at the number of followers you have in addition to other engagement metrics. Now, after doing a lot of research into this method and also being active in other Facebook groups, it doesn't really matter about the number of followers that you've got, okay? It really doesn't. It comes more down to this here, engagement metrics. Now, I know people personally who have applied to the Amazon Influencer Program with less than 100 followers on TikTok or on Instagram, and they got approved and allowed into the affiliate program. I also shared this over in the private Facebook group because, again, similar concepts. People will, like the idea of this method, but they're put off by this because they don't have an audience, okay? So let me show you this, okay? So I'm just in the private group here, and you can see I've typed in the word Amazon. And I want to find this post that we shared in here as well, because again, I shared it with everyone, okay? So scroll down here really quickly. And it was this here, okay? So look, I've just seen this in another group about the Amazon Influencer Program. If you haven't started this yet because you are worried about not having enough followers, scroll down. And this was in a group, okay? So here we go. Just wanted to say I got accepted with just 3 followers on my 1-week-old TikTok account. So if you feel like you can't do it because of follower count, trust me, you can do. And that's insane, isn't it? But how you can actually get this whole method up and running is we create an account, whether that is on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, it doesn't really matter. And we just start sharing content. The content you're sharing on those accounts can be what I've got over here, whereby you're just going around your house and reviewing things. Basically, it's that simple. And you can even just go onto TikTok and type in the word review or anything. Basically, you could go on there and you could type in like this over here on the screen, like Xbox remote review. And you will find hundreds of people that are actually doing this method. Once you've got your TikTok or YouTube or Instagram account up and running and you started to post some content on there, then at that point you can go ahead and apply to, oh no, none of these, you can then go ahead and apply to the Amazon Influencer Program. And it is literally as simple as that, okay? And then if I come back down, where's it gone? Here, this is the other question, is sounds great, how much do I earn? Well, basically, it depends on the commission rates and also if people are watching your videos and buying the products. But I have been online full time since 2017 and I've seen many methods for making money online. This one here, without a doubt, is the most simplest and easiest method I have come across. And you might be thinking, well, if it's that simple and easy, why have you not done more videos on here? I've just not had the time, is the absolute truth about it. But I'm going to continue updating this inside of the university and covering, pretty much everything we are doing inside of here. If I come over here, I want to show you some earnings as well. So we can see these are the videos that were put on, like a bathtub pillow down here and some other ones. If I come over here onto Amazon, we can see we've earned $15 in the last 7 days. If I scroll down, you can see we've had 128 clicks. That's on Amazon. 16 items have been shipped. Someone's returned one. We have a conversion rate of 12.5%. This here is the total number of items which people have bought. And this over here is how much Amazon have paid me. So it's not a lot of money, is it, compared to what we've had people buy from our videos, but it's essentially free money. And if we scroll down here, you can see these are the earnings. So when it comes to how much you can earn, you can see, depending on the category that you're creating the content around, it will depend, because on Amazon, they have commissions starting as low as 2%, and it goes up to, from memory, I think it's about 10%, but that's for more things like collectibles and stamps and other categories. But you can find all the information over on this page over here. So you can go through this and you can see here, look, commission rates can be found here. So if we click on there, it will show us the breakdown, so the different categories, and then you can see here the direct qualifying purchases. So if you're uploading videos about computers, electronics, camera equipment, etc., you can expect to earn 3%. And then here's the other thing as well. You see over here where it says indirect qualifying purchases. What that means is if somebody watches your video and they buy that product, or they go look at another product and buy it, you can still potentially earn an additional 1% on something else they purchase after watching your video, sorry. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And you can see here, so like this one here, look, bathtub pillow for neck and shoulder, I've earned $1.48 for a 1-minute video. and it's not even that good. It's literally me just saying this is the pillow, this is the texture, this is the quality of it, and that's it. But that video was uploaded probably about 5 months ago, and it's still earning me an income as well. And you can see down here, toddler toys. We've got a laptop there. I mean, look at that. Someone watched a video about a laptop, and we've earned nearly $7. We've got one down here for an Xbox controller, and we've earned $1.04. I mean, it's ridiculous, isn't it? I've literally gone ahead down here and done this here, a review video on an Xbox controller. I mean, why anybody would want to know about that or watch a video is insane, but they have done, and they've bought it, and we've earned some money from that. And look, this video is pretty short, but essentially that is the method. We apply to the Amazon influencer program. We start creating content around products that we have around the house. I mean, don't go spending money when you've already got products that are more than likely on Amazon, and then you upload them. If someone watches it, you earn money. It really is that simple. Now, you could take it a step further, and again, we did take it a step further, and I'll show you that as well. We took it a step further with this case study, which is whereby we was uploading our videos on Amazon, and then we was taking them videos and we was putting those videos onto YouTube. And essentially what was happening here is we were earning money from Amazon, and then that YouTube channel was monetized, so we was earning money from YouTube ads. And then we started having other people who are, what am I trying to say? The people who had products that they wanted us to review, they would send us the products for free. We would review them, and they would give us some money as well. And the cool thing about that method is, by taking it a step further, you can see on here, we started getting our videos appearing on Google, and it was just great. So yeah, that is today's video. That is how you can go ahead and earn money from uploading really short and simple videos without even having to be on camera yourself. So what do you think of it? Do you like this method? Are you doing it, or are you even going to give it a try? It's pretty awesome, isn't it? So take care, and I'll see you soon.